Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the legendary Volkswagen EA827 1.6-litre engine. This video will cover everything from its history and design to common problems and modifications. We'll also look at its performance characteristics and why it's become such a popular choice for enthusiasts. So, if you're curious about this iconic power plant, stick around. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the Volkswagen EA827 1.6 engine. This is a powerhouse of an engine, and we are going to explore everything you need to know about it, from its repair and maintenance to its tuning potential. First up, let's talk about the V6 variant. While the EA827 is primarily known for its inline configurations, there are some interesting variations out there. We'll be looking at the architecture, the differences in performance compared to the inline versions, and any specific maintenance considerations you need to be aware of. We'll also touch upon the common issues that might arise with this particular configuration and how to address them effectively. Next, we'll move on to the 8T designation. This refers to a specific iteration of the EA827, often found in turbocharged applications. We'll delve into the specifics of the turbocharging system, how it impacts performance and fuel efficiency, and the unique maintenance requirements that come with a turbocharged engine. We'll also discuss potential problems and how to prevent them. Engine tuning options for the CCZB variant are a fascinating topic. We'll explore the possibilities for increasing horsepower and torque, from simple bolt-on modifications to more extensive engine work. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each approach, and importantly, the potential risks involved. Safety first, folks. We'll also cover the legal aspects of modifying your engine and ensuring it remains roadworthy. Now, let's talk about maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity of any engine, and the EA827 is no exception. We'll cover the recommended service intervals, the essential fluids and filters to replace, and the common preventative maintenance tasks you should perform. We'll also discuss the importance of using the correct parts and fluids to avoid damaging your engine. We'll then move on to a detailed table of technical characteristics for the Volkswagen gasoline engines. This will include key specifications such as displacement, horsepower, torque, and fuel efficiency. We'll compare these figures across different variants of the EA827 engine to give you a clear understanding of their performance capabilities. Let's move on to the development process of this engine. We'll trace its history, highlighting key design choices and technological advancements that shaped its performance and reliability. We'll also discuss the evolution of the EA827 over the years and how Volkswagen improved upon its design. The performance characteristics of the CCZB engine are particularly noteworthy. We'll analyze its power output, torque curve, and fuel consumption, comparing it to other engines in its class. We'll also discuss the factors that contribute to its performance, such as its design, technology, and tuning potential. Next, we'll list the car models in which the EA827 1.6 engine was installed. This will give you a better understanding of its widespread use and its impact on the automotive industry. We'll also discuss any model-specific differences or considerations. Finally, let's delve into the design features of the EA827 1.6 engine. We'll explore its internal components, its architecture, and the engineering principles behind its design. We'll also discuss the unique features that set it apart from other engines in its class. We'll cover everything from the block material to the valve train, ensuring you have a complete understanding of this engine's inner workings. And we'll wrap things up with some other important considerations and observations about this engine. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving deep into the Volkswagen EA827 1.6 engine. We'll be covering a lot of ground, so buckle up. First off, let's talk about the industrial applications of this engine. While primarily known for its use in Volkswagen vehicles, the EA827's robust design and reliability have led to its adoption in various industrial settings. We'll explore some of those applications and discuss the modifications often necessary for these different uses. Think about the power requirements, the environmental conditions, and the overall durability needed for these non-automotive applications. It's fascinating to see how this engine has adapted beyond the typical car environment. Next, we'll touch on something a little unexpected, the use of the EA827 in aircraft. Yes, you heard that right. While not a common application, there are instances where modified versions of this engine have found their way into smaller aircraft. We'll discuss the modifications needed to make this engine airworthy, the challenges involved, and the unique considerations for this unusual application. It's a testament to the engine's fundamental strength and adaptability. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the Volkswagen EA827 itself. We'll examine a half VW, showcasing the engine in its natural habitat. We'll look at its key components, their functions, and how they interact to deliver power. We'll go beyond just the basics, too. We'll delve into the intricacies of its design, exploring the engineering choices that made this engine so successful. Then, we'll tackle a crucial aspect, fault overview and ways to eliminate them. We'll cover common problems associated with the EA827, from minor issues to more significant malfunctions. For each problem, we'll explore potential causes and provide practical solutions, backed by real-world experience. We'll also discuss preventative maintenance to help you keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. Think of this section as your go-to troubleshooting guide. Let's move on to a specific application, the VW Jetta. We'll focus on the engine number found on the Jetta, explaining its significance and how to decipher it. Understanding your engine number is crucial for ordering parts and accessing relevant service information. We'll also discuss the specific characteristics of the EA827 as it's used in the Jetta. Next up is engine tuning for the VW 2E. We'll explore the possibilities for enhancing the performance of this engine, discussing modifications that can improve horsepower and torque. We'll cover everything from simple bolt-on upgrades to more extensive modifications, always keeping in mind the balance between performance gains and engine longevity. We'll also discuss the potential risks and drawbacks of engine tuning. Following that, we'll examine the features of the assembly and description of the CCZB engine. This is a specific variant of the EA827, and we'll go into detail on its unique characteristics and specifications. We'll compare it to other EA827 variants, highlighting its strengths and weaknesses. This is a deep dive for those who want to understand the nuances of this specific engine. We'll then discuss the specifications of the AFN 1.9L 110 HP engine. This is another variant, and we'll cover its key specifications, performance characteristics, and common issues. We'll compare it to the CCZB and other EA827 variants, providing a comprehensive overview of the engine family. Now, let's talk about contract engines. We'll discuss the process of sourcing a used or remanufactured EA827 engine, covering the important factors to consider when making this decision. We'll also discuss the potential benefits and drawbacks of using a contract engine versus a new one. This is crucial information for anyone considering a replacement engine. Finally, we'll conclude our exploration by looking at the Volkswagen Passat model. We'll examine how the EA827 engine was utilized in this popular Volkswagen model, discussing its performance and reliability within the Passat context. This will provide a real-world example of the engine's application and performance in a specific vehicle.